Hey folks, it's Dale from Press to Cook, and today we're diving into a pesky problem that many of us have faced, those annoying spots on your dishes left by your Samsung dishwasher. If you're tired of pulling out your plates and glasses only to find them looking less than spotless, stick around because I've got the solutions you need to solve it today. But before we jump in, if you love keeping your kitchen running smoothly and enjoy tips and tricks to make your life easier, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Press to Cook for more great content. Alright, let's get into it. Why is your Samsung dishwasher leaving spots on your dishes? And more importantly, how can you fix it? First off, let's talk about hard water. Hard water is one of the main culprits behind those pesky spots. If your water supply has a high mineral content, those minerals can stick to your dishes and cause spots. A simple way to combat this is to use a dishwasher detergent with a built-in water softener. Most major brands have a version of these, so look for a label that mentions hard water or mineral protection. Another tip is to add a rinse aid to your dishwasher. Rinse aids help water slide off your dishes more easily, which means fewer spots and streaks. Your Samsung dishwasher should have a compartment for rinse aid, usually right next to the detergent dispenser. Fill it up and you should notice a big difference. Now let's talk about loading your dishwasher properly. It might seem straightforward, but how you load your dishwasher can impact how clean your dishes come out. Make sure you're not overcrowding the racks. When dishes are too close together, water and detergent can't reach all the surfaces. Also, ensure that your dishes are angled correctly. Plates should face the center and bowls should be tilted to allow water to drain off. Next up, let's check your dishwasher's filter. A dirty filter can reduce the efficiency of your dishwasher and cause spots on your dishes. Locate the filter at the bottom of your dishwasher, remove it and give it a good clean under running water. You'd be surprised at how much gunk can accumulate there. If you've done all this and are still seeing spots, it might be time to run a dishwasher cleaning cycle. Many Samsung dishwashers have a built-in cleaning cycle. If yours doesn't, you can run an empty load with a dishwasher cleaner or a cup of white vinegar on the top rack. This helps to remove any buildup inside the machine that could be affecting its performance. For those of you using a dishwasher with stainless steel interiors, make sure you're using a detergent that's safe for stainless steel. Some detergents can react with the metal and cause spots. Check the label on your detergent to make sure it's compatible. And here's a pro tip. If you're using powdered detergent, make sure it's stored in a dry place. Moisture can cause the detergent to clump, which reduces its effectiveness and can lead to spots on your dishes. Alright folks, those are the main steps to get your Samsung dishwasher back to leaving your dishes sparkling clean. Remember, hard water, improper loading and a dirty filter are the usual suspects when it comes to spots. So tackle those issues one by one and you should see a big improvement. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Press to Cook and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you've got any other dishwasher dilemmas or kitchen conundrums, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping out with your kitchen challenges. Until next time, keep those dishes sparkling and happy cooking. Catch you in the next one.